Hey everybody, it's Jared Snyder, also team and founder of Team Better You, living our lives better each day to reach our full potential. So bettering ourselves each day so that we can live a better life. But anyways, today I did cardio core, and basically this segment was day 46 of 80, and basically it was a lot of like hit training. We did a lot of like jump rope, and then we did another move. So it was, and then in between we would do abs. So it was I was sweating. Did it earlier this morning. I was sweating my butt off, like literally. Just getting back at it after having 3 days off. Because I wasn't feeling the best. But yeah, now I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Got my rest, and I am ready to push play every day. And also help people with their health and fitness. I am also running an April 22nd Spring into Healthier You group. It's basically a group ran online with people getting into the Beachbody programs that I have, because I'm a Beachbody coach. And we get you hooked up with one, and you go 21 days with us. And usually a lot of people lately have been going into every group with me because I run these group monthly. So I have a lot of people going into the groups over and over again. And then I have an ongoing group too I'd love to get you in, so that you can post in there too. So and we got, I think today, 142 people in there now. So I love helping them, answering questions, giving them feedback, running polls in there to see what people need. I just overall are helping a lot of people out, and would love to help you out too. These programs, you can do them right from home on your computer, tablet, phone, and your smart TV. Just find a little area in your room, put your TV in there, or even your phone, and you're on your way. Right now I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm watching my workout from this morning. Those were some hard push-up burpees. Man, that was the worst. You had to do 10 of them, 3 sets of 10, and yeah, so. But anyways, as you'll see in the video, sometimes fitness is ugly. It's not really like, pretty, but like if you just put in your effort and you try really hard, you're gonna get it. It's putting that little bit of work each day, over time, and you will see the difference. It might not be right away, but after a while you will see the difference. And the same with eating, like take 200 calories out each day. You're not gonna see it right away, but like down the road, there's gonna be huge dividends for you, and you're gonna see the major difference. But anyways, I just wanted to talk about this. Day 46 is in the books of 80. We got, I think, 4 more days, and we'll be on to phase 3, and then that'll be the last month of 80-day obsession. So if you have any questions for me, I would love to answer them. If you need help starting a health and fitness journey, I'm here for you. I'll leave some links below. Yeah, I'm Coach Jared Snyder, and I'll give you ways that you can contact me, but I'm always looking to help people fulfill, help with their health and fitness, and just be encouragement to them, be motivation to them. Just love to work with people, and just help you with bettering your life each day. So anyways, God bless you all, and take care. And yeah, if you need anything, message me, leave comments, share me with your family and friends, and also please subscribe if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet. All right, God bless and take care.